Hello, you lovely people. Welcome to Accounting Lecture, your favorite accounting channel for GCSEs, A-levels, CAT, ACCA, AAT, FIA, CIMA, HND, and even university students. They're learning so many accounting from my videos. So these are the videos in front of you. I've been helping thousands of students over the years and years, and your appreciation was amazing. Now, guess what? All my videos are advertisement free. That's so nice, isn't it? Yeah, so your studies would be seamless, smooth. There will be no disturbance. Obviously, you see that I've been putting so much emphasis and effort in all my videos, doing only for you people in my studio, and giving my time, expertise. I'm a qualified chartered accountant, many students been with me for many years. So the membership button is open for you. I would ask you to join the membership. So many videos are on the membership. New videos are going to come. So I hope you're going to support and go along with me throughout this accounting journey. I hope you do well in your exams. Best of luck, and do join my channel. Ask your friends to join the membership. Bye for now. See you in some other videos with some more accounting.